friends, and in this video I am going to show you one more time how you can get a free goodies and free t-shirts from Coding Blocks with a free certificate of workshop. So at the last time many of you participated in this Coding Blocks machine learning workshop and get very prestigious certificates from Coding Blocks, that is machine learning workshop certificate, which you can see on your screen. And also many of you shared on LinkedIn and also tagged me. So here you can see she is Prajakta Kadam, and he tagged me in his post, and also he shared this Coding Blocks this machine learning workshop certificate. And also all those who attend that session also get very good knowledge about machine learning, and also get very good means roadmap from the instructor, so that they can explore the career path in the machine learning. So here you can see, because of your efforts, means because of your support, I have also become the Coding Block superhero of the month, which you can see here. And you can see this is the Coding Blocks posted this on Facebook. So this is because of you all. So please subscribe my channel before we get started this video, and how you can register for this event. This time I am just going to show you. There is a link in the description, and what you are going to do I am just going to explain. But firstly, subscribe my channel, because already 10k subscribers completed, and I appreciate your all efforts, so that I got this achievement of 10k subscribers. Also doesn't forget to subscribe this playlist of free Coding Blocks free goodies. So please subscribe that also, that playlist of free goodies, which you can see. So now I am going to show you how you can register for this event. But one more time I am just saying you all that please use my referral code CBCA1301, because many of you have get problem, means total 10 to 15 students contacted me for their certificate of this machine learning workshop, because they doesn't get certificate. Many of them doesn't complete their 5 minutes deadline to get their certificate, but I help them to get their certificate. And also one of the student got the free t-shirt in the session, and he is not able to contact the Coding Blocks for giving his address. So he contacted me, and I contacted the Coding Blocks. So please, if you use my referral code, that is CBCA1301, then I can help you, because this those who got registered from my this referral code, then I get to know about them, and I will help them because of this referral code. So please use my referral code CBCA1301. Now I am just going to show you what is going to in this workshop. So introduction to competitive programming, this is the Coding Blocks workshop. This time firstly there is a workshop on coding orientation for the beginners in coding. Next is machine learning workshop, that is also for beginners, and this is for competitive programming, those who wants to going to explore competitive programming. And so then there is a guidance from the Coding Blocks, and the man you can see here is Karthik Mathur Bhaiya. So he is a very good teacher, and he instruct you how you can get how you can explore the world of competitive programming. So here you can see the whole in this session you are going to learn about competitive programming, and also how you can learn how you can write most efficient programs and equip yourself to get solution for the codes. And also those who are going to take your session is from the Facebook, Amazon, Google, and many more. This type of employee of this type of companies is going to take your session. They are industry expert in this field, so this session is going to be very fruitful. So you all must need to join this. So what is going to cover in this session is, here are few points that will be going to cover. That is introduction to competitive programming, how to become an expert problem solver, how to prepare for popular competition just like Codejam, Hacker Cup, and different type of other competitions. hack to crack companies with competitive programming. How you can crack any companies with your competitive programming skills, you are going to see in this, you will going to see in this workshop. And also how to apply for the companies like Google, Microsoft on the basis of your competitive programming profile. So these are the things which is going to cover in this workshop. So, and also at the last, at the end of this workshop, there will be a AMA session, ask me anything session. You directly raise any doubt with the mentor, means Karthik Mathur Bhaiya, and he will answer you with the questions which you can which you will be going to ask. So here you can see what will what you going to get. So you can see here coding blocks exclusive goodies during this session. There is a giveaway. If you are participating in any of the workshop, you get to know about how they can give their this type of goodies. There is some questions in between the workshop, and if you answer correct and fast, then you got that goodies. So many of the students get, total 50 students I think from my channel get this goodies. So if you are also, if you also wants to get this get this goodies of coding blocks, so go through what I am saying and please use my referral code, that is CBCA1301. So what is the day and date? So this is going to happen on 31st of July 2021 on Saturday at the late night, means 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. So you all can go attend this session, because the Saturday is the weekend and there is no work for the next day, means that is the Sunday. So you all can attend this, and the timing is also very good, 7 to 8 p.m. So what in what platform where this workshop is going to happen, that is Zoom, and you all can register for this. There is a also, if you please register as fast as you want, because at the last time more than 1000 students got registered and only 1000 students get a Zoom link, because the limitation on the Zoom is of 1000 students. So please register as soon as possible. You can so now I am just going to show you what is what you need to fill up in this form. So there is a need of email, and after that your full name, university year. Anyone can attend this session and get free goodies and certificate from this session, whether you are in your college first year, second year, third year, fourth year, or you are in a high school, working professional, or a pass out. Anyone can attend this session. So next thing is here there is a need of phone number and also your email, so that you got your exclusive goodies. Exclusive means all the contact they contact you through your mail. And also this is the here it needs your t-shirt size, because they will going to give away some t-shirts, so they needed this your t-shirt size. Next thing is at the last there is an option of referral code, and add the thing which I say in the initial of this video, that you need to write my referral code, that is CBCA1301, so that I can help you when you have any problem with your goodies or your certificate or anything, whether you doesn't get your link or not. So at that time I will help you. So your link will be sent to you at 29th of July. So please be patient for that link. And also this session is going to be very good, so please attend this session also. So this is my channel, please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. So that's much in this video. Meet in the next video with one more opportunity. So thank you for watching.